Okay, well, I made a rap which I had a video before of it, but just a sample, a preview of it. So here the whole song goes. All right. Everything I want, yeah, everything that I need. Sitting here thinking I would never let you bleed. You the one, you the smoke to my high. I don't even need weed. Shower me in pink, lavish me in gold. Give me a price, and still won't be sold. Treat me with respect, I'll be a treasure. See my beauty, and you'll be rich forever. Alright, so if you could just comment and just tell me if you liked it, if I need to change something, because I really want to be a rapper or a singer when I get older. So just tell me your honest opinion. Alright.